Hey guys, welcome to Desi Girl Traveler and welcome to yet another episode from my home, my beautiful home. तो ये एक बहुत ही छोटी सी वीडियो होने वाली है. It's an announcement video. So I am planning another group trip for this year. Last year I did some 7 to 8 group trips for Ladakh and Arunachal. After working on another beautiful destination, I'm here to announce another group trip for you all, and this time it is Bhutan. A lot of people who came to Ladakh last year and Arunachal with me on my group trip, they were asking कि आप भूटान का ट्रिप बनाओ और हम आएंगे. So that gave me an idea, and I also realized कि Bhutan is the nearest international destination. I am excluding Nepal क्योंकि वो मुझे बिल्कुल घर जैसी जगह लगती है. But yeah, Bhutan is beautiful, and I don't think so there have been many group trips or curated trips to Bhutan during the winter time. So that's why I decided to do Bhutan group trip. I went to Bhutan in 2019. I absolutely loved Bhutan. Having said that, all arrangements are in place. So मैं आपको बता दूँ किन किन लोगों के लिए ये group trips है. मेरे group trip पे there is nothing like only women or only men. It's open for everybody. Whosoever wants to join, you can join. This trip is starting on 22nd of December to 28th of December. So you have 2 weekend like Saturday, Sunday, and also Christmas. We are going to celebrate Christmas in Bhutan. Okay. And this is going to be a road trip. We will enter Bhutan by road. So you have to come to Bagdogra on your own, Bagdogra in West Bengal, and from Bagdogra my team and I will be there to pick you all up, and then we will enter Bhutan together. This package is from Bagdogra to Bagdogra. Bagdogra तक आने की जिम्मेदारी आपकी, and you have to arrive in Bagdogra on 22nd of December. Maybe you can come one day early and you can stay there, and on 22nd we will pick you up, or you can arrive on the same day. All the pickup will be done on 22nd of December. So now let me talk about the costing part. This entire trip is going to cost you 65,000 rupees, and stays are going to be in 3-star. Places are going to be very clean, hygienic. You can be sure about that. हो सकता है कि some of you find it a little expensive, but let me give you guys a proper context. Winter Bhutan is pretty expensive because you can imagine in the winter time, because of snowfall and the weather situation, hotel works differently, so their charges are different. Apart from that, we are going to be in Bhutan during the Christmas time or festival ke time pe. Anyway, hotels and all are very expensive. Third thing, for Indian tourists there is 1200 rupees per day tourist fee, which goes straight to the Bhutan government, and that price is included in this package itself. There are limited seats available, only 12 people, and max to max, if I get more inquiry, then maybe I can extend it up to 15 people. There is a form link in the video description below. That link has all the details about this trip, day-wise itinerary, what are included, what are not included. So I request you all to please read it properly, and if you are convinced, then only fill up the form, and somebody from my team will contact you regarding this trip. So this price is on double occupancy basis, but if you want single occupancy room, then the price will be different. So you can read that in the form again. And also for NRIs and foreigners, the charges are going to be different because the rules are different for Indian travelers and also for travelers from different countries. So we will have to look into that. But having said that, please feel free to fill up the form even if you don't live in India. We have all the arrangements in place and we can work it out. Dates are 22nd to 28th of December. It's open for everybody. If you have a passport, good. If you don't have a passport, as Indians we don't really need a passport to enter Bhutan. You can have a voter ID card, and using that we can enter Bhutan. Aadhaar card will not work, so you need to have either a voter card or passport है तो well and good. Visa का कोई issue नहीं है, so leave all those things on me, and all the documentations, formalities and everything. So we have Thimphu, we have Tiger Nest Hike, we have Punakha, we have Paro, and also Pobzika. There's a new place. I have not been to that place yet, but I have included that in my group trip itinerary. Now Bhutan is a country where you cannot travel solo. You need to go in a group or with a guide. जब तक मैं गई थी मुझे तो पता है सोलो ट्रैवलिंग अलाउड नहीं है भूटान में, एंड इवन इफ़ यू ट्रैवल सोलो, आई एम अज्यूमिंग आपके टाइम पे शायद सोलो अलाउड भी हो, बट यू नीड टू हायर अ गाइड, यू नीड टू हैव अ टूर ऑपरेटर ऑन बोर्ड, एंड दैट्स हाउ यू ट्रैवल इन भूटान. सो इस आइटनरी में वो सारी जगह हैं जो लोग देखने जाते हैं भूटान. So we are going to travel to all the good places, and trust me, Bhutan is beautiful. After traveling to Ladakh and Arunachal, in group, Bhutan was the third place I could think of. Apart from that, Bhutan में कोई altitude की issue नहीं है, like how we have that in Ladakh and also in some parts of Arunachal, but it is going to be cold. So if you love winter, you are more than welcome. Bearable cold, nothing like extra cold कि आप बिल्कुल जम जाओ और बर्दाश्त ही ना कर पाओ, ऐसी वाली ठंड नहीं होगी. Room will be properly heated. किस्मत अच्छी रही तो maybe we will even get to see snowfall. And the vehicles are going to be 6-seater व्हीकल, क्योंकि भूटान में इंडिविजुअल कार के साथ भी कुछ प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं बोलूँगी, देयर आर लॉट ऑफ expenses and everything. So इस बजट में this is all I could offer, but I can assure you all it's gonna be a comfortable and fun trip, and above all you guys are going to travel with me. I'm a good company when it comes to travel. We can share a lot of stories, and yeah, we're gonna be together for 6 to 7 days exploring Bhutan. It's going to be fun. Like, group trips are totally fun. Bhutan is a land of Buddhism, and it's not my first time when I'm going to a Buddhist place. You guys already have seen so much of content around Buddhism on my channel. So that is the reason I organized my group trips to Ladakh and Arunachal, and Bhutan also culture-wise feels very familiar to me. I and my team have spent so much time in curating this itinerary for you all. It is a tourist itinerary but also a traveler's itinerary. Bhutan is not going to be 100% offbeat kind of travel because there is a limitation, and Bhutan government does not allow too much of offbeat travel. But otherwise, even in the tourist places, I have made the itinerary in such a way that it is going to give you very offbeat kind of feeling. And more than anything else, anybody else, I'm gonna be there. So we can share a lot of travel stories together, and we can explore the places together. So much of monasteries, पहाड़, Himalayas देखेंगे हम winter time. तो I'm keeping my fingers crossed and hoping कि हमको snowfall भी मिल जाए. Apart from that, yeah, people of Bhutan are very nice. Overall, it's gonna be very immersive, very experience rich kind of travel. So if you are somebody who have been wanting to travel, not just जगह पे गए फोटो खिंचाए और निकल गए, वैसा ट्रैवल अगर आपको पसंद नहीं, you want some immersive kind of travel, you want some real travel, then this itinerary is for you. For those of you who are new to my channel, and अगर आपको लग रहा है कि ये ट्रिप मैं पहली बार करवा रही हूँ, नहीं, by this time I think I have already done some 8 to 9 group trips, mostly to Ladakh and Arunachal Pradesh. Bhutan is going to be my third destination when it comes to group trips. मेरे पास बहुत सारे लोग वो भी आए हैं जो मेरे साथ पहले लद्दाख गए थे, then they all came to Arunachal with me. I genuinely enjoy organizing these group trips. काफ़ी मज़ा आता है आप लोगों के साथ personally मिलने में भी, and then yeah, it's a good way to travel because most of the time I travel solo, all by myself, and even when I am with you all, even I get to see places from different lenses and different perspective. Solo traveling I enjoy when I'm traveling for myself, okay, when I'm making content and all, but apart from that I do enjoy organizing these group trips and taking you all with me to new destinations and showing you places through my eyes and then looking at those places through your eyes. Wow. It's beautiful. Anyway, if you have any query, please feel free to ask me in the comment section below. Everything, all the details are there in the description box. There is a form usme, and if you are convinced, then only please fill up the form and somebody from my team will contact you. There's one simple request. I have more or less talked about everything, like costing kya hai, days kya hai, kin kin ke liye trip hai. If you are interested, then only please fill up the form. Please do not randomly fill up the form because the seats are limited. If you are interested, let's celebrate Christmas together in a new country. Not for me, I mean I have been to Bhutan earlier, but yeah, in a new country we can celebrate Christmas together. And Thimphu is beautiful. Paro and Punakha both are my favorite places. Thimphu की shopping मुझे काफ़ी ज़्यादा पसंद है, just बता रही हूँ. And Tiger Nest की hike तो काफ़ी adventurous है ही है. And those of you who do not want to go on a hike or something, don't worry, we will plan something else for you. You can still come to Bhutan with me. Apart from that, content wise, भी Sri Lanka का content is going on the channel. There is one more episode. इसके बाद ओमान की series आएगी. Oh my god, I'm so excited about editing these Oman videos. Such unique and good content. I'm soon traveling to a couple of countries. So वहाँ से जब मैं वापस आऊँगी तब मैं आप लोगों को भूटान में मिलूँगी. तो फॉर्म फिलअप कर देना, तब तक वीडियोस देखते रहो चैनल पे. And if you have any query, yeah, please let me know.